Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a love bite for you. Let's see what's the most important message this is going to be out for you today. And these are general collective readings. Aquarius will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's begin your reading. And welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And if you're new here, we welcome you in to our Omkara family. If you enjoy the reading, don't forget to subscribe and join our channel. We welcome you in. So Aquarius, the cards that I have on the table till now are the 8 of Wands in reverse, 6 of Wands, 7 of Cups, 5 of Pentacles, the World, the Hanged Man, the Lovers, Death, and the King of Wands. So even though I think you guys are maybe not talking to each other and things are really not going great, somebody has made a decision now. They want to come out of the cold. They don't want to end this chapter. This is unfinished business right here on the table twice. The World in reverse and the Death card in reverse. Both indicating somebody wants to still hold on and not let this connection go. Bottom of my spread, there is a Ace of Cups, Aquarius, which is in reverse. So maybe you guys are not feeling very loved up regarding this connection right now, but don't worry, this is not something that's come to an end right now. It's not finished. This is unfinished business here, or at least somebody doesn't want it to end. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Aquarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So before we start clarifying these cards, Aqua, I'm going to take a few dialogue message cards to see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Aquarius and their person. Thank you. Aquarius and their person. If they could say something to each other, Spirit. One more. Thank you. And I'm going to take a few from here. Aquarius and their person. Thank you. Okay, all set to go, Aquarius. Let's begin your reading. The first card I have here says, "Our separation has destroyed me. There are times when I haven't wanted to live. I've wondered if you would, I wondered, sorry, my throat shut down suddenly. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to repeat this again. Somebody is really going through a bad time here. So the card says, "Our separation has destroyed me. There are times when I haven't wanted to live. I've wondered if you would even notice if I no longer existed." Somebody is feeling unloved big time. And I'm choking up here for some reason. Second card says, "The endless depth of love that I have for you is a blessing. Sometimes this love feels more like a curse because I'm so focused on you, but I don't see anything from you back in return." So somebody is feeling not appreciated in a connection here. "I tried to help you with your addictions, but you took me and my love for granted. I was happy and carefree before, but you kept taking from me. You stole my heart, my love, my light, and my well-being. I'm trying to recover from this and heal myself." "I'm planning a surprise. I want to ask you to marry me. Will you say yes?" Like I said, somebody maybe you guys are already married, but the whole point here is that there is somebody here who doesn't want this connection to end. And even if you guys are not talking or you're going through a difficult time, the other person is saying, "Hey, I still want to come back and be with you for long term. I like so many things about you that even I don't know how to tell you that I love everything about you. I think you were made for me and I was made for you." So they're saying whatever is happening in our connection, the point is that we are meant to be together. Life seems so complicated for us. My mind often drifts to thoughts about us escaping reality to somewhere really quiet where we can be alone. I haven't been happy for a long time. This seems to be this person who says our separation has destroyed me and you don't, kind of pay attention to me. I think you won't even bother if I no longer live. So somebody is going through that and saying, I haven't been happy in this connection for a long time. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you'll understand I need time. I want to restore your faith in me. Like I said, the other partner is not wanting this chapter to end down. They're holding on to the last thread to say, no, I'm not going to let it end. I don't want this chapter of our lives to end. So let's start clarifying these cards. But before I do that, Aquarius, I'm going to take a blessing from the angels to see how they can guide us. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for this reading. My angels for my Aqua gang, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius. Sorry, this fell out a little. Okay. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Okay. So, the card we have here for you, Aquarius, is sweetness. Maybe some sweetness needs to be restored back into this connection because the feeling of love is kind of gone or is going, or somebody is feeling very unloved. There needs to be some kind of happiness and sweetness brought back into this connection for it to survive here. So let's see why that is. 8 of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Why is Aquarius in the 8 of Wands? Of course, this Aquarius, the energy could be flipped. I could be talking about you, or I could be talking about your cross-watcher. One more. 8 of Wands in reverse. There is no communication between the two of you. Somebody is in hermit mode here. Somebody is wanting to be isolated. They may even be thinking that is it time that I leave all this troubled connection behind and maybe move on to a calm, happy place in my life. They feel they have never really found victory in this connection. They feel that this relationship has kind of stagnated. It doesn't move anywhere, it doesn't go anywhere. And they feel it's almost like, I'm suffering from bad karma here. I'm not happy. I'm not emotionally fulfilled here. So what's this 8 of Cups in reverse, Spirit? Sorry, 7 of Cups. 7 of Cups in reverse. Seven of Cups in reverse. Yeah, the death card is in reverse, I think, for the both of you. Even though somebody is not emotionally happy, they want to make some kind of a decision and come out of this stagnation. They feel this relationship has become very slow or stagnated. Nothing really moves here. I'm not emotionally happy. 10 of Cups is in reverse. But finding it really difficult to leave as well. That, that this is like a fear of change. They fear taking that next step. Even though they are not talking, they're in solitude, they feel this is bad luck or bad karma, not happy, not feeling victorious, not emotionally satisfied, but still not being able to accept that a change is required, or still kind of holding on, having a bit of fear of change, which I see, I think, in both parties here, not just one. 5 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. 5 of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, there's somebody here who's somebody is trying to find some kind of coming back together. One person wants to work on this connection. I think this is the masculine here, if I'm not mistaken. This is the feminine who's not emotionally happy. Could be vice versa, I'm not sure. But somebody wants to now come out of this cold place that they find themselves in. They don't know what decision to make. They know that you guys are not talking to each other, maybe not being able to hear each other's point of view, feeling abandoned, feeling left out in the cold, but wanting to come out of it now, wanting to restore some kind of balance back into this connection, and wanting to work on this connection now. Not wanting this chapter to shut down completely. Things are stuck a little bit, but a lot of thinking is going on by both parties here as to what to do next. What to do next. Hanged man spirit? Why is the Let's take the world first. What's the world in reverse, spirit? The world in reverse. World in reverse. One more. World in reverse. Yeah. See, the love is kind of... there needs to be some sweetness brought back into this connection. Both of you feeling unloved at the moment. But there is one person here who wants to make a decision now to fight for this connection one more time. They don't want to give up on this. They don't want this chapter to end. They have thought about it for a long time and come to that decision now that I don't want this to end. Hanged man spirit? Hanged man? Yes, somebody is taking stock now of all the investment that's been put into this connection. What can I do to make it better? Should I put in more work? Should I, there's a lot of contemplation going on from both sides, I think. One is in the hermit mode, the other's in the hanged man, thinking of what to do next. Not very happy by the way things are, but still wanting to fight for it. Not wanting this connection to end. This is a choice that is being made here. What's this? Lovers? Spirit in reverse? Lovers in reverse? Hanged man again. Lovers in reverse? I don't think either of you are kind of actively showing your love and affection to each other. Both feeling stuck, both keeping secrets, both keeping silent. One is in hangman's, one is coming out as the high priestess, trying to keep things to themselves. But I think internally, both of you have this fear of change as well. Death in reverse, spirit? What's this death in reverse? Yes, I think neither of you really want to end this connection. Both thinking of a restarting. This is almost like, let's try again, let's begin again. We can achieve stability together. Then, spirit, why is the King of Wands in reverse then? King of Wands in reverse. King of Wands normally is somebody who's a bit selfish. Oh, okay, all right. No, they have realized now that they were being selfish. This King of Wands has, I think, spent a lot of time with themselves. They've realized that they have been a bit selfish. All this has kind of come out in the open, maybe to themselves. They've realized that their actions kind of have created this rift. They've realized why their partner is moving away, is not emotionally happy with them. All this realization has come after spending alone time. I think both of you have been thinking. There is somebody, the masculine I think, is who's wanting now to come in quick and fast, maybe with an apology. They want to kind of come and correct this now, Aquarius. This person has spent enough time trying to understand where they went wrong. They realized why their partner's leaving or not emotionally happy and why this love is lost. They don't want this chapter to end. Will they, spirit, bring some sweetness back into this connection? What can we expect? Yes, I think you guys are going to stop being defensive and stop fighting after this apology comes. So time is fluid. I can't tell you when it will come. But yes, if you guys are quietly contemplating your individual lives at the moment, both of you, I think, both of you not wanting really to leave the other person either. Okay, and whoever needs to bring in the apology is going to They want to end this defensiveness or fighting with each other. Correct, Spirit? Anything else for Aquarius? It's more like a lover's tip. Yes, I think very soon both of you are going to stop this defensive attitude and look forward to the future to see growth. Right now, you may not believe me because right now the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles is in reverse. Right? Now you're probably feeling, where's the love? There is no love, there is no stability, there's no forward movement here. But very soon this back and forth energy is going to end, I think. Somebody is going to make a decision and stop, whatever inconsistent behavior has been going on. A lot of healing needs to take place individually for the two of you. But the only main message that I get from this reading is, even though there's unhappiness at the moment, both of you are still not ready to let the other person go. Maybe subconsciously still holding on to the connection. So yes, Spirit's advice is correct. Try and bring some sweetness back. This has potential even now. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light, Aquarius. Take care. Namaste.